Hello guys, let's begin the weekly roundup with Euro USD. The Euro USD has been a very strong downtrend and we expect the strong downtrend to continue as long as 1.19 is not broken. So around that zone we have the opportunity to sell to 1.17, which is about 200 pips, and then a further drop to 1.15 as the second target. The pound USD also has been on a downtrend. We expect the downtrend to continue as long as 1.38 is not broken. And also we expect a rise to about 1.8 and then a further drop to 1.36. So 1.38 rise to 1.36. So we could sell at 1.38, target 1.36, and the further target could be 1.35. The Aussie USD has also been in a solid downtrend. We expect the downtrend to continue as long as 1.772 is not broken. We expect a rise to around 1.76, or the zone where it is could also predict a sell-off. And that sell-off could drop to 0.4 could be the target. And also 0.4 could be the target. USD JPY has been on a slightly downtrend, not so strong, but we expect the fall because we are trading correlated market. And so there could be a rise next week or tomorrow Friday or even today, later today, to around 84.00, and that could produce a sell-off to around first target at 83, and then further down to 81. The pound yen has been in a strong bullish trend, but what we are seeing now could lead to a reversal, and so the reversal may not happen this week, may not happen next week, but we expect by next 2 weeks we should have confirmed the reversal. We'll confirm the reversal if 150 zone is broken, and perhaps if 1.48 zone is also broken, and then a retracement could guarantee that we are in a bearish market. And so what we expect in the next 2 weeks could be something that looks like this, or something that looks like this. Let's leave that till next 2 weeks. The New Zealand USD has also been in a downtrend. We expect the downtrend to continue as long as 0.71 is not broken. So what are the areas we look to sell? This pattern here that we are seeing is also a bearish flag pattern. A bearish flag pattern, and also a minor double top. So we could expect the sell-off to start from where the price is right now, or to around 0.70, and then the price could drop down, further back down to around 0.67. New Zealand yen has also continued to sell off, and we expect that sell-off to continue as long as 78.2 is not broken. So what we look to expect is something like this, a rise to 77.5 zone, and then a further drop to first target 76.4, and then a further target to 74. As you can see, this was the analysis for 2 weeks ago. It rose a bit above, and then it begins to drop. The gold market, very bullish. In the group we said that, and then I'm already in a trade like that. As you can see here, I'm already in a trade of gold, and so we expect this bullish market to continue to the upside to around 178.00, and then a retracement, a pullback to this zone. So what we expect is something that looks like this, a drop down, and then a continuation. Well, New Zealand, pound New Zealand could produce a buy around this zone. But please note that this currency is a very volatile currency. So trade carefully. So at 1.94, we could see a buy, a possible buy from that zone to around 2.00. That's about 600 pips from the zone. It's a good try if you target 600 pips and you put a stop loss at 100 pips. That's a 1 to 6 risk to reward. The pound Aussie also is in a strong bullish market, and we expect the rise to continue as long as 1.79 is not broken. So we could take the trade from this zone 1.79, and there the 200 moving average is acting as support, and then we could target somewhere around 1.83. That's about 380 pips from the proposed entry. That will be all for now. I hope you will trade safely, trade carefully, and may the pips be with you, and may your profit be more than average. Bye, guys.